So this is just a graphical representation of the wave function. So you have psi of x versus x. This is the graph, and this graph does not have any physical meaning as such, the graph on the left side, because the wave function does not have any physical meaning as such, right? The square of the wave function gives you the probability of finding a particle at a specific location, but the wave function as such does not have any meaning. So this graph does not really make any sense. This is for n equals 1, this is for n equals 2, this is for n equals 3. Now, and this is just a graph of psi of x versus x. If you square this, if you take psi squared versus x, again for n equals 1, n equals 2 and n equals 3, you will get these graphs. And it is possible to explain these in terms of a physical interpretation. So psi squared is the probability of finding the particle at different locations between 0 and L. So when you take energy level 1, you see that the probability is maximum somewhere around the center, around L by 2. For psi squared equals 2, you can see that it is roughly maximum around L by 4 and 3L by 4. It is minimum at 0, L by 2 and L. Similarly for psi 3, it is at 1/3 and 2/3 it is minimum, 1/6, half and 5/6 if I am not wrong, it is maximum, and so on. Basically, so when you take the nth state, you divide it into n equal parts, and the midpoint of each segment is where the probability of finding the particle is maximum. That is just an intuitive understanding.